Here we have AP Calculus BC problem. Okay, let's go to the question. The graph of f is shown above for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. What is the value of integral 0 to 4 f of x dx? Okay, when I look at the graph of the function f of x, there are two parts. The first part is over here, the second part is over here. And we have the first part from 0 to 2, and we have the second part from 2 to 4. So clearly, f of x is a piecewise function. We have the first piece from 0 to 2 and the second piece from 2 to 4. Then this 2 is a transition value. Since 2 is a transition value, we can split up the given integral into two parts. Okay, let me write the given integral as it is. It is 0 to 4 f of x dx can be written as integral 0 to 2 f of x dx, positive integral 2 to 4 f of x dx. I just split up this integral into two parts using the transition value 2. Okay, now let's consider the first integral we have over here. We have from 0 to 2 f of x dx. Actually, it gives the area between the curve f of x and x-axis from x equals to 0 to 2. Okay, now let me mark this area in the given figure over here. Okay, so this is the area given by the first integral, that is from 0 to 2. And we can split up this area into two parts by drawing an horizontal line over here. So we get a rectangle and a triangle. Here we have a right angle. So now to get the value of this integral, we have to find the area of this portion. For that, we have to add the area of this rectangle and area of this triangle. Okay, now to get the area of this rectangle, we have to consider the length and the width. The length is 2 and the width is 1. So then the area of this rectangular portion is 2 times 1. Now to get the area of this rectangle, we have to use a formula, that is 1 over 2 times base times height. Here the base of the triangle is 2 units. And let's find the height of the triangle. Okay, we know that we have 1 over here and the y coordinate over here is 5. Then the length of this line segment is 4. That is the difference between the 1 and 5. Okay, the height of the triangle is given by 4. Okay, positive. Now let's consider this integral. Here this integral gives the area between the graph of f of x and x-axis from x equals to 2 to 4. Okay, now let's look at this region in the graph. Okay, here we have 4 on the x-axis. And let me draw a vertical line over here and a vertical line over here. Okay, we get a rectangle between the graph of f of x and x-axis from x equals to 2 to 4. So we have to get the area of this rectangle to get the value for this integral. But here we find this area below the x-axis. Okay, so when we use integration to get area and the area is found below the x-axis, and we have to consider a negative sign for that area. So now we have to change this positive sign to negative sign. Now let's get the area of this rectangle. Okay, so the length of the rectangle is 2 units and the width of the rectangle is 3 units. So length times width. Okay, here 2 times 1 is 2 and this 2 will cancel out. Positive 1 times 4 is 4, negative 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so here 2 positive 4 is 6, 6 negative 6 is 0. Okay, now I got the value of this integral. Its value is 0. We find 0 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.